Hey mates, I think I've got a nice improvement to the T-Rex drawing. Let's get the head drawn in and get the body kind of wrapping around and kind of a big belly with a slender tail. Let's get the back muscular legs drawn in. That's cool. The big difference that I am making that I really like is to put some little tiny shoulders in and then put the arms forward. That's a good change. What I have been doing is on the body, I just went straight out like this and put the claws on the end like that. And I think this little change is worth the effort to make a more awesome and more ferocious. Yes, dino mates.